friend Mr. Patil has already explained about how to prepare the model, that type of prepared L-shaped model theoretically. Now I will explain you how to do the L-shaped model by using different instruments and other things, tools and other things. Okay. So I will show you. This is the anvil. This is one tool we are using, and this is the tong, round tong, and this is the flattener. Okay. And firstly, we should know what is meant by forging. Forging means we are applying the compressive force or impact force on the material, work material. Thereby it will be compressed or it will take any shape based on the type of tool we are using. Now, in case of art forging, working of the metals above the recrystallization temperature. That means we have to heat the metal up to certain temperature below the melting point. That is nothing but RCT, recrystallization temperature. Cold forging is nothing but working of the metals at room temperature. It is called cold forging. Okay. Now I will show you. In case of hot forging, we have to heat the raw material. In a furnace. So this is the raw material made up of mild steel, and we don't know the length, and we have to calculate the length, and Mr. Patil has already explained about this thing. And the diameter is 16 millimeter, and this is the length of the workpiece. So this is kept in the furnace. This furnace, name of the furnace is called LPG furnace. LPG furnace means liquefied petroleum gas furnace. So now we are opening the door, and it is kept in the furnace. Raw material is mild steel. The melting point of the raw material mild steel is around 1400 degrees centigrade. So we have to heat the metal up to 1000 or 1100 degrees centigrade. When it comes to red hot condition, it will be little soft. And when we apply less force, it will take the desired shape. So the hot metal is placed inside the furnace, and is taken out by using the tongs, and it is kept on the anvil. Kept on the anvil by using the hammer. We have bring it to the desired shape. The first operation is called drawing down operation. Operation, and we are making it round shape is making to square shape. You can see this. All around the face, we have to make it square shape. Before that it was in round shape. Now we are bringing it to square shape. For doing the art working operation, we have to use the safety device. Safety device are, one is helmet, second one is the hand loose, that is made up of these are the clothes we are using. This is made up of asbestos material, I think so. Okay, and at the same time you have to use the shoes, because any hot metal is fallen on the floor. You have to take care of that one. You should not come to this area without using shoes or any other footwear. You have to use shoes compulsory. And other work holding devices are displayed on this board. You can see this different types of work holding devices, tongs, and these are the types of hammers, round pin hammer. Both the sides are flat. One is other than that. You can see varieties of hammers, smaller size as well as bigger size. And this one is called the flatner. So as I told you earlier, the round shape, the round rod is converted to square shape. Now we have to measure the length of the workpiece. 160. Again we have to reheat the metal, and now we have to increase the length as per the given sketch.
Okay. Now the entire round workpiece is converted into a square workpiece of a required length, that is the 160 millimeter length. Now again we put it that material into the furnace for reheating. So as per the component requirement, we have to make a square pyramid of a 30 mm length. So in one side of the workpiece, so this square pyramid of 30 mm is required. For to make this shape, again we are putting this square material into the furnace for improve this ductile property. Okay, once it is reheated, now with the help of tongs, again the workpiece is taken outside from the furnace and put on the anvil surface. Now again give the impact load to increase and give the shape of square pyramid of required length of 30 mm.
Now the tapering operation is performed by using tongs and hammer.
See how now the square section is converted into a square pyramid of 30 mm length. Okay, so the two operations are still carried. One is the drying down operation, another one is also giving the shape of square pyramid. Only the another one operation is left as per the final product, that is the bending operation. For to bend the component, again this component is put it into the LPG furnace. For the every operation, the heating of the component above its recrystallization temperature is important for hot forging method. Okay. So this is
called the swage black. This is called the swage black. Use it for giving different shape, and also we can perform the bending operation also. Sometimes we can use the vise, or sometimes we can use the swage black. This is called the bench vise. Now we can see this is a fixed jaw, this is the movable jaw. So in between these two jaws, we have to properly face the given workpiece. Since it is in hard condition, we have to properly handle that one. So now I will have to placing the here, now we have to tighten that. And then we have to apply the bending forces on the given workpiece by using hammer. So I will show you later on. At the same time, we have to take the measurements repeatedly, whether we have provided the required length to the given workpiece or not. We have to check that. Now you can see. Now you can see how the workpiece, heated workpiece, is placed in the vise, and then it is tightened by using that handle. You have to do this operation little carefully. At the same time, you have to take the measurement
40 mm.
40 millimeter as per the given sketch. Now we can see the bending operation. Some of the operation when you are doing in a case of hot forging, you have to do it very fastly. Don't waste the time. If you are making delay means that artwork will become cold work. After completing the round workpiece, now we have to dip in a beaker containing water. This is nothing but the quenching operation. So when it is cooled, now we can observe this one. When it is cooled, then now we have to take it outside. Now we can touch this one. Now we can take the measurements, whether we are satisfied according to the given
40.
drawings or not. Now it is 40 millimeter, and the length up to the tapering section is 120 millimeter, and the tapering section is 40.
Final product is
This is the final product we have obtained in this operation.
okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.